Hello and welcome to the Plants4Presents nursery. We thought it would be fun today on this scorching June day to go through a few of the best plants for Father's Day. It is June, there is lots and lots of choice, so it was difficult to slim the selection down to just 5 perfect gifts for this Father's Day. Try to give you a little bit of a spread, so starting off over here we've got easy going, bomb-proof Dracaena lemon and lime. Perfect for a desktop, for an office, for somebody who's not that great looking after plants, these will still thrive. Citrus trees. We do a huge range of citrus, but the kumquats at the moment are looking amazing. Look at these bright orange fruits, ready to use straight away. These can be delivered in fruit for Sunday. The cat is agreeing, these are wonderful plants. Next option, chili plants. Whether your dad loves barbecuing, whether he's a whiz in the kitchen, chili plants are easygoing. They fruit lots, even on a small windowsill or on a patio. This is an early fruiting variety, so it's unusual to have the chilies this early in the year, but you can see these ripe red chilies are ready for cooking, and there are also more flowers coming, so this will continue to fruit and flower and produce crops right the way through into the autumn. For the garden, we wanted to include something flowery. Lots of dads like flowers, and roses are a classic. Lots of different colours. This is a yellow, Sweet Memories, long flowering patio rose, perfect for either a patio or a sunny border, and will give ongoing colour. Finally, last but not least, our Grow Your Own Hops gift set. For dads who like something a bit different, this is a real hops vine. You can plant it in the garden, it's vigorous, it will grow up a pyramid, up a fence, produces beautiful vines, they're called, in hop vines in the autumn, which you can use to flavour beer. And in the meantime, Dad can have a beer in a lovely tasting glass while he's thinking about that autumn harvest. So something just a little bit different. Hope you like our rundown of just 5 of the best plant gifts for delivery this Father's Day on Sunday.